Hey, what's up? We're at the end of day 2 of 10 of this green juice fast. Today's been pretty good. I got up, walked, had a juice, walked the dog, came back home, sat around for a little bit, drank a little juice. I did experience some minor headaches today, slight minor headaches, but I think it's from the juices detoxing my body or either my brain trying to play tricks on me. It's like a craving, like an addiction or something like that. Smoking cigarettes, drinking alcohol, or just eating sugars. It's just a little craving that you're going to experience. I got past it. I'm not experiencing it anymore. Did have a different bowel movement today, but back on track now. So no headaches right now. Body's feeling great. 8 more days to go. I got this. And big news is, in one day, I lost 4 pounds, believe it or not. So I got the app to prove it, and not too excited because you know how weight goes. It could be water weight. I could lose 4 pounds today and not lose another pound for another 2 or 3 days. You know how that goes, but I'm going to keep you informed. Day 2, I'm on track and things are right. As long as I lose 10 to 15 pounds, not 10. 10 won't do me no justice to do this fast for, because I could have did a regular diet for 10 pounds. But if I can lose 15, 20 pounds in 10 days, thumbs up, baby.